Zhejiang CFMOTO Power Company Limited was founded in 1989. CFMOTO covers an area of 150,000 square meters and a building area of 120,000 square meters and has more than 1,300 employees. The company facilities include engine assembly, vehicles assembly, frame plant, machining plant, and painting plant. After more than 20 years rapid development, CFMOTO has turned into a modern high-tech manufacturing enterprise specialized in high-end powersports products development, manufacturing, as well as domestic and foreign trade of all its products. Its product line covers motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles, liquid-cooled engines, speedboats, garments, and accessories. By adhering to the road of technical innovation and brand development over the years, CFMOTO has successfully introduced to the market 35 models of vehicles in 12 series of engines, with 205 patents. CFMOTO is also one of the members for the preparation of China national standards and has been awarded with international, provincial, and ministerial honors. CFMOTO has developed China's first 650cc engine, the first 650NK street bike, the first 800cc ATV, and the first 1500cc boat engine, which filled the gap on the Chinese market. By now, CFMOTO has established a global distribution network with more than 2,000 dealers in more than 70 countries and regions in Europe, North America, South America, Oceania, and Africa. The company has been steadily increasing its market share and has been at the top in Russia, Sweden, Great Britain, Germany, France, Australia, in the off-road vehicle market. CFMOTO is also well recognized as a high-end brand in China, and its state guest escort motorcycle refreshed the image of Made in China and Made in Zhejiang. Meanwhile, the CFMOTO NK family series are the milestone products in China in the big bore motorcycle segment, featuring super performance, streamlined design, excellent handling, and finished quality with the sprite of the craftsman. CFMOTO has become the most influential brand in the Chinese powersports industry and has maintained at the top position in terms of the export volume of all-terrain vehicles. CFMOTO is also in the leading position in China in the segment of big-bore motorcycles and engines. The development of CFMOTO has been in line with the change of the market demand and customer value. CFMOTO has formed its core value of progressive, determined, more fun, with the company vision of becoming the world's excellent power sports product supplier. At the same time, by promoting the motorcycle riding culture through club events, background database service, and CFMOTO online community, CFMOTO is building a unique lifestyle of riders and a platform for people to make friends. Besides, CFMOTO also actively participates in world's motorcycle and off-road vehicle races. In the 2016 Isle of Man TT race, the CFMOTO 650NK finished the historical 4th place, which was the best record that a Chinese bike had ever made in World Top Race. CFMOTO will adhere to its core value of progressive, determined, more fun, and is determined to grow into a vigorous and respectable power sports company by further building up its manufacturing capability and strengthening its innovation and design. CFMOTO. Experience more together.